Wonderballs episode number 50. Funny sounds. Funicula. I am a Maracas. Hello, Maracas. There's a train. Hey, train. Wanna play with me? Ding, 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 ding. I can shake my whole body. Ding, 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 ding. Now, I'm waiting for the drums. Ding, 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 ding. I'm gonna join Maracas. Here I go. Ding, 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 ding. As we play together, we're going to be the champions. Ding, 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 ding. Write my duty calls. And we're waiting for the flute. Join with us. Xylophone. Everybody play with us and feel the beat. Everybody ride on the train. And now, let's see what's happening to the train. Boing! Huh? A robot train? Oh, we can't see. It's a robot train. Wait. Time for me to leave. Dance up for Maracas. I'll bring it down. Hello, my dear friends. Let's see who do we have for today. I will call you Maracas. Come and make some rhythms all together. Shake, 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 shake. Let's see who do we have for today. I will call you Maracas.